Welcome to the Thomson Reuters ProView Practice Series. In this video, we'll cover ProView's Create and Share Links capability. We understand that sharing information with peers, colleagues, and clients is a key component to the success of any professional. For this reason, we built the collaborative tools Create and Share into the application. The Create and Share features allow you to share excerpts or entire sections of a text from any book in your library. Generate PDFs or share links to a location in your title easily with these collaborative tools. To share a selection of text from within a title, highlight the text and choose the Share option from the Action menu. Decide whether you'd like to share only the text that you've selected, or if you'd like to include annotations, which could be notes or highlights that you've made to this text in the past. Select Create PDF and preview the document. You can then share this document via email, Messenger, or other sharing applications on your device. When collaborating with colleagues that own the same titles as you, share the areas that you are working with by creating a link. Select the Create and Share button. Select Link. Share the link via email, text message, or other applications on your phone or tablet. When the person you are sharing the link with receives the link, they simply tap on it, which launches ProView and opens to that section of the title. To generate PDFs from the text, select the Create and Share button and choose PDF. You will have the choice of creating a PDF of your current view within the title or of the entire section. This concludes the overview of ProView's Create and Share Links capabilities. Thank you for watching the ProView Practice Series. Thomson Reuters ProView. Your book's powered up. For more information, visit us at legalsolutions.tr.com/ProView.